Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the 3 compartment sinks. And let's take the overall sizes first. The unit is deep, about like 18.5 inches. And the length, it will be about like 38 inches. And the height of the unit is about like 32.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit pretty simple. They come in with the faucets, cold water, hot waters, and they also have 3 filters from the manufacturers. Okay, we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. For the sink bowl, it's about like 10 inches wide, 14 inches long, and they are about like 10 inches tall. Between the two hole diameters, it's about like 4 inches. This will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.